Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how to fix Google Chrome problem if it won't open, and also how you can do it. Just try to close Google Chrome and just open it again. Just tap with two buttons, just choose quit and just tap on it again. And if it doesn't help, you can also just try to restore your computer, so just tap on Apple logo, just choose restart and just submit restoring your computer. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to remove Google Chrome and just install it again. So just you can do it from here, or you can do it from Launchpad or from applications. Just find here Google Chrome, just tap on it and wait. So we couldn't do it from here, so we need to go to Finder and to applications and just move to trash, and after just remove your trash from your Mac. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.